style is really the root of fashion. It's more enduring than anything fashion that we do.
Style is such an integral part of people's lives. There are two things we do every day. We eat and we wear clothes.
When art and commerce come together, it's really important to celebrate the leaders and the people that are really going for it.
I wear Max's clothes a lot, because you can look like rock and roll, like what I have on today, or tomorrow for our big project runway finale. I have a beautiful gown.
The inspiration was the space between boudoir and black tie, creating a dress that's got simplicity yet sensuality for the woman that wants to make an entrance.
It's very inspiring to see new designers, young designers who want it so badly and they work so hard.
The winner of the 6th annual Supima Design Competition is Morgan Stellan.